What's up, you guys? It's Golden Baby here with a video, and as y'all can tell by the title, I got my own apartment, and this is the first apartment that I ever had by myself, and I'm excited. So I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. If you want to see it, just keep watching. So when you first walk in, you're gonna see this. This is the kitchen right here. Got a microwave and a dishwasher. I love this sink. And also, I love how big this icebox is. Like, I don't think I'm gonna have a lot of food up in here, but yeah. And then we have the washer and dryer, you guys. This was a must. I need a washer and dryer. It's a must. So I'm excited about that. Then we have valet trash, and then so this is like the little storage area, I guess, for the mops and the mop broom and all this type of stuff, cleaning supplies. And then we come over here. We'll come over here. So this is supposed to be like the dining room area, but I plan on getting just some bar stools, probably 3. I think it's long enough for 3. And then I'm going to probably put this as an office area right here, because I see no need for what is that called, for a dining table. To be honest, it's just me. So by my lonely. And then we have this is the living room area. I love the windows. It's good space. Good space. And then we're gonna go right here. This is the bedroom area. So one thing I love about this is wood floors, and then we go carpet when we get the bedroom. Okay, we get the bedroom with carpet. So I think this is a fairly good size for me. I definitely want a canopy bed. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Who knows? I don't know. But we will see. I'll do the measurements later on today, so I can make sure, and then I'll buy my canopy bed. But I love this window, how big the window is. So much lighting. I love lighting. So yeah, and then we're gonna come right here, and this is the bathroom. So this is the tub right here, and then I love it has enough countertop. So definitely probably gonna be extra and get like a tray, right here with a flower. Probably put the flowers right here or some candles right here. And this is me, guys. This is when I'm dressed. But yeah, loving it. I'm loving it. And then this is the door to exit. So my company do not have to go through my room to get to the bathroom. And that way I don't have to go out of my room to get to the bathroom as well. And this is my closet. Yay, closet. I'm happy I have so much room because I have too many clothes. But yeah, this is my closet. So I think it's really good. I had a bookshelf, a brand new bookshelf that I wanted to put right here, but it has too much stuff over here, boxes and stuff, so I can't do that. So, oh well to that. But I know this is very quick, very quick video. But I just wanted to show you guys something that I accomplished this year. This was supposed to be my goal for my birthday, was to get one. I wanted to get one in Buckhead, but then I was like, no, I'm not gonna pay that ridiculous price just for me, and basically probably not even gonna be there, to be honest. So I felt like this was more of a good area for me, and yeah, and I love the location, loving the location, and it's close to my job, so that's a plus right there. And I want to take you guys on a journey of me decorating everything. So living room, but I'm going to go with a modern bedroom. But I would definitely put the pictures up here.